Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, on a daily and weekly basis, the Nifty closed below the level of 17,800, which is negative for the market and has caused further concern in the current week. In the current week, we should be ready to see the levels of 17,600, 17,450, or even 17,300. On the upside, 17,850, 17,900 or 18,000 would be hurdles. During the previous week, we also saw weakness in key indices like banking and technology. The only positive part was that on Thursday, the market breadth was extremely poor and market closed at the lowest point of the week. Even if we go through with put call ratio as per option statistics, then the market is in oversold zone as per Nifty option data. Again, we cannot forget that it's a week of monthly expiry, so that will keep the market volatile, but at the same time at or from oversold zone we may see some bounce back in the market. On the higher side, as we mentioned, the pressure is going to come between 17,850, 950 levels, and that's the reason there we need to be careful. In brief, in case if we see the market is opening higher on the back of specific news flow in the world markets and Singapore Nifty, which is indicating some 50-60 points higher opening for the market. So in case if we see the market is opening around 17,800, 850, then there we need to be careful. We should avoid taking any long position. In fact, between 17,850, 17,900 levels where there is huge amount of call writing, there we should look for taking some contra bets of going short in the market. On the downside, 17,600, 17,630 would be support. And if we see the market is dropping to those levels on the back of maybe some specific liquidation, then 17,600 certainly going to act as major support for the market. So after the opening, if we are going to see the levels of 17,600, then certainly there we should look for taking some contra bet of going long in the market with a stop loss at 17,550 on the downside. In fact, we should even look for adding some good quality companies close to those levels with a medium term view. And for the bank Nifty also, we saw weakness. Now the next level to watch out for would be 37,550, 37,450 levels. There the bank Nifty is having excellent support, and from there we can expect some rebound, so which is corresponding to the levels of 17,600 on the Nifty. Now if we go through with the world markets, then there we are seeing mixed reaction, and it is mainly because of European COVID curbs and the risk of quicker withdrawal of Federal Reserve stimulus. The treasury yield was near the flattest since pandemic's onset. It was around 1.56. A gauge of the dollar was steady. It was around 96.15. Oil extended decline on the prospect of key consumer adding emergency supplies as well as Europe's COVID flare-up. Japan and the US may make a joint announcement on the release of crude reserves as soon as this week, according to report. So all these things are completely mixed. Even though the crude is down, dollar index is up, so which is nullifying the positive effect, and 10-year yield is around 1.56. So global cues are not that supportive, and that's the reason we need to be extra cautious in the market. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.